Drop what? No. I I mean, hindi ko i-drop kung saan yung exact school ko or location, ganun. Para din ma-protect yung, syempre privacy ko na yun, guys. 'Di ba? Hello, Jolly. Hi, Patrick. Hi, Spunky. Yeah, privacy na yun. Hi, Elgram. Hello. Good afternoon. Hi, Jake. Thank you so much. How are you? Wow. Hi, lover boy. Wow, bebe ko. Taray. Bilis mo naman, Gran. Ang bilis mo naman. So nice. It's nice to see you guys. It's nice to see you. Welcome to my live, guys. Pwede niyo akong daldalin. Just never give info to them. Yes. Guys, maintindihan niyo naman yung ones na hindi magbigay ng location si host. Para din naman sa privacy niya, hindi ba? Hello, Wansley. Before, inaya kami doon ng ano. Thank you so much for following, Gran. Ano, sa ano yun, di ba? Palilan, tama. Ano, love you like Pakistan? No, I'm pure Filipino, guys. Yung Gilberts, before inaya kami ng tito namin doon kasi doon nag-celebrate yung ay tabang. Oh, basta ayun. Malapit ba yun sa Roca, tama? Ano, inaya kami ng tito namin doon kasi doon nag-celebrate yung cousins namin. Cousin na tawag doon, mag-celebrate ng birthday niya. Para hindi ako nakasama kasi busy ako nun sa work. May part-time job kasi ako before, 12 hours yung oras nun. So, nung bakasyon siyempre sinulit ko yung pasok ko. Lagi akong pumapasok para makaipon. Hello, the last page. Ayun, 12 hours yung ano ko dati, yung work. Ano siya, nag-i-start ng 11 AM hanggang 12 midnight. How are you? I'm good, the last page. How about you? How are you? Talo ba? Okay, no worries. How are you today? I'm good, guys. How are you two guys? I'm very good. It's nice to know. Where are you from, the last page? Hala. Thank you so much, Mark Chan. Hala, thank you so much po. Thank you. Oh my god. I'm from South Korea. Oh, I'm from Philippines, guys. Hala, thank you po. Hala, nakakapalig naman. Thank you po. Thank you so much, Sir Mark Chan. I really, really appreciate that. Hello, Vladimir. Hello, Mad Max. Kinilig na ako, guys. Hello, John Raz. Hello, Joey. I really, really appreciate that po. Thank you po. Hi, Jago.